Crime fighters, the police and you, getting to understand your police better.
Last week, the Nigerian Police Medical Services celebrated their 4th annual Health Week. The program, which was designed to educate policemen and their families on health issues, was tagged Prevention of Sudden and Untimely Death in the Police Force. The Commissioner of Police Medicals in Lagos State, Dax Nzu, said the program was designed to increase the awareness of police officers and men about the importance of regular medical checkup as a major preventive measure against sudden death.
Why we go all out to make sure that sudden and untimely deaths are prevented is because the death of one man affects all of us. One policeman who dies means that nobody is there to take care of the security of at least 500 Nigerians. So policemen, we value them and we make sure that nobody dies unnecessarily.
In a welcome address, the chairman of the local organizing committee, Deputy Commissioner of Police, Dr. Grace Okudo, said preventing ill health and death have been the pattern in our community as a result of neglecting regular medical checkup. She therefore enjoined police officers and men to go for medical checkup and cultivate healthy habits.
Healthy living. We've always emphasized that. And because we want to acquire the habits of living healthy. That was why before this health week, on Saturday, that was 24th of October, we organized a rally for our youth. And in extension, their mothers, to teach them how to live healthily. Because they know about those habits, that wrong living, that tend to make young people to derail. That is drug abuse, sexuality, teenage pregnancy, but life. You may not have a chance to even repair yourself. It might be the end. Because life has no duplicate. In essence, when you try to prevent it's cheaper. And the only way to do it is to live healthily and also to check yourself regularly.
The highlight of the program was the presentation of gifts to various participants, and the participants of the program expressed satisfaction at the lessons learned from the program.
So all we're after is after the health of men. You know, a healthy policeman makes an effective police officer. So that is why we are craving that every policeman, together with their family, must be healthy.
When you come to a program like this, at least you learn so many things or you hear so many things that you've not heard before. Like I never knew that there is a drug that one can take in the management of stress. But I learned about it today. So I'm sure it will go a long way in helping most of our people.
Police Officers' Wives Association, POWA, were also actively involved in the Police Health Week program as they came first in the parade competition.
We, the women, we too will learn that we must take care of our husband and they should not be stressed up at all, so that they will not be spending the money that they ought to have spent for us and the children on taking care of diseases.
Now my children, when we sick, we go to the hospital, we have police hospital, we go there and we will be treated.
The one we know, we teach it to our children and use it for our husband, we use it for all our house to make everybody happy in the home.
Youth from Kogi Central Senatorial District have been commended for embracing the federal government amnesty program. Having surrendered their arms and ammunition, the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Ogbonna Okechukwu Onovu, commended their courage and patriotism. The police boss also appealed to other youths to embrace peace.
I must say here that I commend the courage and patriotism of these youths. And I hereby call on the other youths in the country to emulate them. I want to plead to all youths and all persons who are keeping arms to come out and use this spirit of peace and unity that is pervading our society now, they should use this opportunity to come forward and surrender these arms.
While giving an update in the progress made in crime fighting, the Inspector General of Police paraded kidnappers of Chief Bernard Unwora, the Chief Executive Officer of Bethel Group of Companies.
Some of them are saying that our guy is stingy, but he has a lot of money. We should plan how we will do and get money from him.
This thing I just happened, I can think it's just a temptation for my life. Say they don't first kidnap one of him brother been with him. Say they pay them a lot of money. Say if I want follow them go, say make I follow them go, say I go get money. Now I say okay now. They do where they go. I beg God, I follow them.
Still giving a progress report, the Inspector General of Police said 4 persons have been arrested in connection with the death of Oyewole Abiodun of Ibari compound in Ota, Ogun State. Investigations revealed that the incident was an offshoot of the political violence that rocked Ota, Ogun State in September 2009. Meanwhile, the police boss has pledged 2 million naira for anyone who volunteers useful information about the killer of late Bayo Ohu, former assistant political editor of Guardian newspaper. He said the police have arrested 3 suspects and investigations are still ongoing. During the week, the Inspector General of Police, Ogbonna Okechukwu Onovu, paid a courtesy visit to the Chief of Defense Staff, Air Vice Marshal Paul DK. The police chief expressed gratitude to the defense boss for his support during the Boko Haram insurgents, saying his style of leadership was exemplary.
My visit to you today is to appreciate your person, your fatherly advice, and your candid opinions in issues that concern security and the welfare of the men.
Responding, the Chief of Defense Staff said the police have done well over the years and that the defense is ready to assist the police, especially in the area of training.
The Nigerian military and the police have had a very long-standing relationship that dates back to so many years. And I have no doubts whatsoever that under your leadership, that bond of friendship will continue to grow from strength to strength. The Nigerian police, I believe, has done considerably well under the circumstances they have found themselves in. But we are prepared to render any assistance that will improve your capacity to operate and meet your constitutional responsibilities.
And that's all for Crime Fighters Briefs. Thanks for staying with us.